Hi kids! Welcome back to Color by Mood. Today we are going to write a very easy letter. You see, this is letter V, capital V and small v, and we are going to write some words which are starting from letter V, and we will do the coloring in the pictures also. Yes, this is capital V and this is small v, and the sound is v, v, v. Very good. So, before starting, we are going to learn some colors. This is purple color. This is orange color. This is green color. This is black color. This is pink color. This is yellow color. This is light pink color. This is red color. And this is brown color. So, let's start with purple color. Just make a one slanting line. See? Very easy. Stop here, and now from here go up in slanting line. You see, very easy letter, capital V and same like small v. Just make a one slanting line. Stop here. Now go back up. You see, easy letter, capital V, small v, capital V, small v. Here is the dot. Just make a one slanting line. Touch the third line. Stop here. Now from here, go up, up, up in slanting line. Stop. See? Very easy letter. Capital V. Now write small v. Just go down, down, down. Make a one slanting line. Go up, 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 up. Stop here. Very easy. Let's write it again. One slanting line, and here is another slanting line. Small v in two lines. See, very easy letter, capital V, small v, capital V, small v, and the sound is w, w, w. So now let's start writing the words and colors in pictures. So, can you guess this picture? Yes, this is van. Van. Let's color pink color in van. Read with me. V A N V in V A N van. Very good. See the next picture. Yes, these are the vegetables. In vegetable we are using purple color. Read with me. V E G E T A B L E vegetable. V E G E T A B L E vegetable. Very good. See the next picture. Yes, this is vest. Vest start from V. In vest we are using orange color. Read with me. V E S T vest. V E S T vest. Very nice. See the next picture. Yes, this is vase. This is vase. In vase we are using pink color. Read with me. V A S E vase. Very good. See the next picture. Yes, this is volcano. In volcano we are using brown color. Read with me. V O L C A N O volcano. VOLCANO volcano. Very good. So today we have done how to write letter V, the capital V and small v, and we have learned all these words which are starting from letter V. Yes, and we done the coloring in the picture. So let's repeat it again. V is for van. V is for vegetables. V is for vest. V is for vase. V is for volcano. Very good. Let's read the words. VEST vest. V-E-S-T, vest. V-A-N, V-A-N, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E, vegetable. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E, vegetable. V-A-S-E, vase. V-A-S-E, vase. V-O-L-C-A-N-O, volcano. V-O-L-C-A-N-O, volcano. Very good. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow for the more. Bye bye.